So yeah, like you said, it's certainly not easy. But I think one thing that is core to software development is understanding the fundamentals. And I see this every day. People are trying to skip the fundamentals. There was a time someone reached out to me, was like, there's someone trying to learn React. Can I help? And it's like, does this person know JavaScript? Like, no, but there's a job that person was trying to get and all that, and you needed React. So you skip that phase. And if you do skip that phase, when you are brought to a new situation, let's say now you're like, okay, we need to do something with PHP or with Java, you don't have those fundamentals that you can transfer to a different technology. What you just have is you've just built a tower on that particular place that you are. So being able to study and understand like the fundamentals of programming itself, okay, that you can take to any programming language regardless. I do tell people that I can code in any programming language you give to me. Okay, provided it's just like a simple program algorithm. I just need to understand the syntax, how to run the program, and I'm good. I might not be able to build great applications with it, right? But because of that fundamental knowledge, so being able to have that fundamental knowledge and to being able to be flexible, because software engineering is a relatively new field, relatively, and it's very volatile. It changes a lot. There are things that we used like 2 years ago. Right now, they are not really that much in demand, and even the ones that are still in demand, they have changed the way they operate. For instance, React introduced React hooks. Now you have to learn React hooks. Okay, we didn't ask for it, but they just had to add it. But you have to be flexible to like taking new things. So if you're put in a situation, for instance, you get in the job and they say this is the technology that we're using, what are you going to do? Would you resign? Okay. So if you have that fundamental knowledge and you have the ability to be flexible, it's easy for you to take on new challenges in terms of new stack. But obviously, it's not easy because it's like um, moving away from what you know, from what's familiar to you, but it's possible and it's doable.